HMD has unveiled a new 2G feature phone known as Nokia 123 Shield, which is the brand touts as the most affordable water and dust resistant feature phone that is optimized for reliable call quality. It can withstand splashes, rain, sand, and dust. While it's not advertising any IP rating, a footnote on the website said it meets the requirement of IP65. They state it is built from ground up for outdoor workers. It has a slip-resistant texture on the sides and also features a rubber seal to protect the headphones and charging port. They claim it is optimized for stronger, more reliable signal for clearer calls and better connectivity compared to other 2G phones like Nokia 105. It has Unisoc SC6531E chipset run S30 plus OS and has 4 MB RAM, 4 MB onboard storage which can be expanded to 32 GB. It has a 2.4 QVGA display, QVGA camera on the rear joined by a LED flash which can be used as torch and is 30% brighter than that of Nokia's 110 flash. It has a 1750 mAh battery that charges via USB Type-C port, can offer 19 days of standby time and 27.9 days of talk time. You get 3.5 headphone jack, dual SIM support, and FM radio, both wired and wireless. It comes in green and purple color. They not reveal the pricing, but it is listed in Bulgaria by multiple retailers for around 35 euros and in Greece for around 40 euros.